Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So uh, ESIF type error model, ISF type error because the driver issues, that's why it's come issue. So what is the first solutions? So first solution is guys, click to start button, type CMD and please run as administrator, otherwise right click to run as administrator and then yes. So I have some command to repair and restore your corrupted Windows corrupted file and check health also. So this is command. So you type first this command, then second, then third, and then last fourth. You type one by one, and then please when complete, because this is complete process is around 20 minutes, then we'll done. And then second solution it is firstly you check your which company are using motherboard, then open browser and you download motherboard latest driver and install to your systems. Okay, please check which motherboard are you using, go to search motherboard driver and enter model number also and then download. Okay, and also then also facing you problem, so you just restore your system. Okay, click to search button, type point, and this is create restore point to click. Okay, so actually I'm not created and automatically, so I disable this feature. So you click to restore point and delete, then click and select the date, but that time select this date, select you facing not issues, this issue is not facing. Okay, yeah, thank you.